In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $2.40 every 2 minutes, and you don't need a website and you don't need videos. Now, don't get turned off by the $2.40. I know it's not much, but it's going to be working for you on autopilot. So let's do the math on that. So $2.40 every 2 minutes, an hour, that's going to be $72 every single hour. And since it's going to be working on autopilot, it's going to be working by its own. You can multiply that by 24, which is all around the clock, which is a full day. And as you guys can see here, you're going to be potentially making $1,728 using this method. I just want to clarify here that this method is not one of those methods that you have to write a blog post or those transcribe methods. I have made videos on those in the past and they're in the channel if you want to check them out later, but this is a different way of making money and it's pretty good as well. And as you guys can see, it has a very good potential of making money around the clock for something that you have to set up once and it works for you. Now, if you want to check out my affiliate program where you can grow your channel using my content for free and also get paid to do that, watch this video until the end. I'm going to leave a link in the description called Affiliate Offer Program, where you can click that link to be able to get access to the folder with all my videos that you can use with no worries of copyright, because I'm giving you permission to use those. And also you're going to get paid to do so, and also going to grow a YouTube channel with my content for free. So if you want to get access to that, just click the link down below and you're going to get all the instructions, access to the Google Drive folders, everything, and some videos that are going to train you on how you can do that also. I've posted a video explaining how you can use that to grow your channel, and it's called How to Grow Your Channel Using YouTube Shorts, something around that. You can click somewhere around the screen to go to that video. Now, I'm posting videos 24 times a week with multiple ways that you can use to make money online. And if you don't want to miss out on those videos, I highly suggest that you subscribe to this channel, because I could post a video tomorrow, next week, and if you don't see it, it could have been the video that changed the game for you forever. Now, I know that this intro was huge, but it's a huge way of making money. It's a very big program that I built for you guys, because I know many of you guys are scared of copyright, and I've just made available for you for free lots, like infinite content that you can use to grow a YouTube channel and also make a lot of money doing so. So if you want to check it out, go ahead. Okay, so the way that you want to be making money with this is you want to go to a website called CPA Grip, which is a website that we've covered here in the channel many times. And the reason being because this website is one of the best ways of making money online that I know of. And it's because it's so easy. All you have to do is register for the website, and they're going to give you a link with a certain offer that you can promote. And whenever someone clicks it or inputs their email or inputs their phone number, you're going to be getting a certain amount of money. That each offer is different. When you register to the website, you're going to be seeing multiple offers that you can choose and choose one to make money with. So after you're here on the homepage of the website, all you have to do is click login now or just register. I already have an account, so when I log in, it just takes me to this dashboard here that you're seeing right now. After you log in, you're going to be faced with this dashboard where you can see that multiple people are posting. They are not actually posting. I think the website posts for them how much money they are making. So if you can see here, $1,799 this guy made with 966 leads. We've gone through this website lots and lots of times here on the channel, so I won't bore you with this again. I'm just gonna jump straight into the offer that you're going to be using and how you're going to be making money with this method. Now, what you want to do once you go to the website is you want to go to the offer tools and you want to go to my offers, and this is going to be showing you the dashboard of offers that we talked about just a minute ago. And what you want to do here is you want to look for some kind of giveaway. And why do you want to look for some kind of giveaway? Because giveaways are a way for people to get free stuff, and everybody loves free stuff, right? And if you choose a good giveaway, then potentially you're going to be getting the most amount of clicks, and that's absolutely what you want to go for. Okay, and this is a method, like I said, that you're going to set up one time and it's going to work for you. But you're not just going to set it once and let it do its job. You're going to set it multiple times to be able to maximize the amount of money that you're going to be making using this website, right? You're not just going to do it once and sit there and go to sleep. Ideally, you're going to try to set up as many of these that you can. You know, if there's offers available, just I would myself keep setting them up and making more and more and more money, right? So what you have to do here is you look for a giveaway. In this case, $250 gas gift card, Evo gift card, PS5. Okay, so PS5 is a thing that people can get. It's not a gift card, so you know, it's an actual physical thing, and it's something that can cause people to crave it when they see it. Okay, so Once you reach this offer, you can see here that it's going to pay you $2.05 every time someone submits their mobile number for a chance to win. So this is a giveaway, and every time someone puts in their mobile number, you're going to be getting $2.05 from this website. Okay, so this is going to be your affiliate link right here. This is your affiliate link. You don't want to just copy it. You want to change your tracking domain from this one here to Moral Files. So we're going to be using Moral Files to track our link. And after you've done that, you can just copy this link. Now we're going to go to our website called bitly.com. All right, once you're in bitly.com, what you want to do is you click create, and you're going to click paste your long URL right here. I'm going to click create again. The reason we're doing this is because we want to shorten this link because it looks kind of spammy. So people that see this link, if you just post the link as it is, people might not want to click it. Okay, so as I've already used this link once, and it's giving me the bit.ly.ps5 offer 1. This is my affiliate link. This is what I can use to promote my offer. Okay, this is our affiliate link, and when someone clicks this link, it's very important that you use this link here, because whenever someone clicks this link and submits their information, that's when you're going to get paid. Now you have your offer. Now you have your shortened link. What you want to do is you want to go to Google and you want to search for PS5. You want to get a PS5 picture, and you're going to go to images. You want to get a very nice picture of a PS5 so you can advertise it, because what you're going to be doing is you're going to be advertising this link for people that want to win a PS5. So you need to get a good picture, so when people see it, they want it, right? So, you know, this one looks kind of cool and it has no background. So I think I'm going to choose this one. Save image. Probably this is a PNG. No, actually I'm going to make it a PNG. ps5.png. Okay, now what you want to do is you take this image of the PS5 that you downloaded from the internet. I have it in my computer right now. You want to go to a website called Canva. Okay, all these websites that I'm going to be mentioning, I leave links in description so you can get all of these for free. This method, you don't have to pay to use it. It's completely free. And if you use the links that I provide, they're going to be completely free. Okay, so I have a link for Canva that you can get a free trial. I think it's 30-day free trial that you can use all of the pro features here in the website for absolutely $0. Okay, and one other Chrome extension that I would highly advise you guys to get is called TubeBuddy. I will also leave a link for that TubeBuddy in description. And what TubeBuddy does, it's also a free Chrome extension. So if you have Google Chrome installed in your computer, I would highly advise you to install it, because if you're going to be using the YouTube Shorts method, which I'm going to be teaching you in the next video, then you're going to need TubeBuddy so you can grow your channel. I highly advise you to get it, because this is what most allowed me to grow here on YouTube, is TubeBuddy, and I'll leave the link for you so you can get it for free in the description as well. And once you're here in Canva, what you want to do is search for Twitter post. As you guys can see, I've already searched for it before, so it's already here in my recent searches. And you don't want to go for any of these templates here. You just want to search for a blank template, open a blank one. And now what you're going to do, this is going to be your offer. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be posting this offer in a Twitter feed, right? If you don't have Twitter, that's no problem. All you have to do, and if you do, you still have to do this step, which you have to create a new Twitter account. And on that new Twitter account, you're not going to be using your personal profile. If you already have Twitter, leave your personal profile aside, create a new one. It's going to be kind of a theme page. And what a theme page is a page that only posts things about a certain topic, right? In this case, you're going to be posting things about giveaways, and you can use the same account to post multiple giveaways. Like I said, you're going to be doing it multiple times. So what you want to do is you're going to go to CPA Grip, and you're going to get multiple offers, make multiple of these, and post it into the same Twitter account. And every time you post this, people are going to retweet it. And if you're not familiar with Twitter, when people retweet your tweet, it's kind of like they take something that you posted and they also share it in their profile. So when they do it, all of their friends are going to be able to see it. And every time someone inputs their details in this offer, you're going to be getting $2.05, which is the price that they're paying for this offer of the PS5 right now. As you guys can see here, $2.05. So every time someone inputs their details, you're going to be getting $2.05. And if someone retweets it, which is going to be one of the requirements to win the PS5 that we're going to be adding to our image, their friends, when they see it, they're going to want to win the PS5 also. So they're going to retweet it again and again and again, creating that viral effect. And every time someone retweets, all of their friends are going to be able to see it. And each time that happens, you're going to get a commission for it. So let me show you now how you can build this offer. So take the picture that you uploaded, right? Here's a picture of a PS5. I'm only going to be using this part of the PS5 here. Okay, so we can have a lot of room to write on the picture. Okay, if you didn't understand any of these steps on the video, just go back and watch it again, no problem. Okay, now I've gone ahead and finished it, and all you have to do here is write. Since this is a Christmas giveaway, I wrote December PS5 giveaway, win a free PS5 worth $599. To enter the giveaway, follow these steps. Number 1, retweet this post on your feed. Number 2, tag one friend who is going to play it with you. And number 3, click the link in bio to submit your entry. You must complete all the steps. And what this here is kind of adding like this FOMO. And if you're not familiar with what FOMO is, it's just fear of missing out. Okay, so when you put this in, people are going to be greedy, right? When they see this, they're going to try to input the same details more than once. So what you want to do is you want to put here one entry every 24 hours, so people will be keen to enter their details more than once, and every time they do it, you're going to be earning a commission, right? So after you've done this, all you have to do is click here, click share, and then you click download it in PNG for the best quality of image. And as you guys can see here, it's a full image size. It shows 1. I would leave it as 1. If you go higher, it's going to turn into a huge image and you don't need it. Just leave it as 1. Okay, 1, and then you click download. And as you can see, the image is downloaded to my computer. If I open it, here it is. All you have to do now is create the Twitter account, add the link to your bio. And if you want to learn how you can take full advantage of the affiliate offer that I talked about in this video, just click this link here and you're going to be redirected to my next video, which I explain everything in full detail. I'll see you on the other video. Work hard, play harder.